In this video, we will be covering the setup of our automated marketing tool. This feature is quick to set up, designed to save time, and drive revenue by sending the right message to the right patients at the right time, automatically every day. The best part, it comes at no additional cost. So let's jump right in. To get started, you'll head down to your setup menu and look for marketing automation. Please note that only users with the Maintain Marketing Automation Settings privilege will have access to this page. At the top, you'll see a button that says Enable Marketing Integration. Clicking this will launch the setup wizard. When we hit Next, it takes us to Step 1, which we can skip right past. Step 2 is asking how should emails be sent to recipients. The first option means that Blueprint will both generate and send out your campaigns each morning. The second option means that Blueprint will generate your campaigns daily, but you will need to go in and hit send on those campaigns manually. Step 3 is asking if you would like to use a custom unsubscribe success page. If yes, you can paste the URL here. If you do not have one, that's okay. We will use a default unsubscribe success page so patients know that their action went through successfully. The last step is where you select the sending email address. This is the address that patients will see when they receive the email. Clicking this dropdown will show you all of your clinic addresses. You can select from here or create a new one if it's not in this list. When you're ready, you can hit finish. And now you have enabled your automated marketing tool. The next step is going to be turning on each of the campaigns you would like to send out. Here you will see a list of all of our available campaigns. You can hover over the blue eye icon to see more details, or you can check out our user guide page titled Campaigns for a description of our campaigns. To enable, you can right-click and head to Edit Details. In this pop-up, you'll see all of our preferences available for the campaign. At the top, you can check if this would be a commercial message. That means this is a communication not related to a patient's purchase. If this is enabled, the unsubscribe link will show up at the bottom of the email. You can also review this information by hovering over that blue eye icon. To turn on the campaign for email or print, you would check the active boxes, and you can confirm the template you would like to go along with this campaign. We have email templates for every campaign, and we have a more limited print selection. This box here, include patients with an email address. When checked, it means patients will be included in both the email and print campaign, so they will receive both options. If this is unchecked, any patient with an email will be filtered into the email campaign only. From here, you can send yourself a test email if you'd like to see an example, or you can go ahead and update. Once you save your preferences, you'll see two icons here. An envelope meaning that the email campaign is enabled, or a printer meaning that the print campaign is enabled. If you would only like to see the campaigns you have turned on, you can check this Show Active Campaigns Only box at the top. If you ever need to edit your marketing automation settings, such as how emails are sent, your sending email address, and so on, you can do that by click Edit Settings at the top here. Now that we have enabled our marketing integration and the desired campaigns, let's review our templates. To do so, you'll go down into Templates, then Marketing, and we have a page for both the print and email templates. In the print templates, anything that you see with the B logo is provided by us. You can right-click to download a copy if you'd like to make any changes, and you can upload your own templates at the bottom here. As a reminder, we do not have corresponding print templates for every campaign. To edit our email templates, we'll go over to Email, and you will see a list of all of the available email templates. If you'd like to edit any of these, you can right-click and launch Template Editor. For a detailed walkthrough of our template editor, please see the graphics-based email marketing webinar video. From here, you can also preview or send yourself a test email. Editing this would only be the body of the email. If you would like to edit the header or footer, you can head down to Email, Headers, and Footers, and we provide a default header and footer here. The provided default header and footer will include your clinic logo and the unsubscribe success link. There are a few email templates that require your review or editing. Those three are the Google and Facebook review, upcoming appointment notification, and thank you for contacting us. We recommend reviewing all templates before you enable a campaign. The last thing needed is to check your users' privileges to ensure they can access the marketing tools. Those privileges are on the screen now. With that, automated marketing is set up. Depending on your settings, emails will begin sending out as soon as the next day. If you have any questions, please feel free to call or email the support line.